All right, cutting straight across to visuals coming in. Rahul Gandhi has left the Lucknow airport. He's on his way to Lakhimpur. He says he wants to go ahead with Lakhimpur Kheri visit despite Section 144 of the CRPC being imposed in that area. Given the fact that according to him, farmers are being attacked systematically. He's left. That's his convoy leaving for Lakhimpur at the moment. He was stopped earlier at the Lucknow airport. Now, questions arising on whether he's going to be allowed to enter Lakhimpur or not, given the fact that Section 144 has been imposed right there. Anand Patel is joining us live for the latest on this. Anand, we're tracking the convoy of Rahul Gandhi, who's left the Lucknow airport. He is making his way to Lakhimpur. We do know Priyanka Gandhi was detained for many hours, after which she was arrested. There were several other opposition leaders who were in detention too. We still have to wait and watch to see what happens when Rahul Gandhi tries to enter Lakhimpur. Is he going to be stopped? Is he going to be detained? What's your sense at the moment, given Section 144 has been imposed there?
Well, Tracy, let me just clear a few things here. Rahul Gandhi is leaving for Lucknow now. He's just concluded his press conference at AICC headquarters and he's leaving for Lucknow via Indigo flight. And he'll be landing at Lucknow airport, where prohibitory orders have already been issued against him. He will not be allowed to enter Lucknow. So looks like it will be a situation same which played out yesterday when Bhupesh Baghel, Chief Minister of Chhattisgarh, tried to enter Lucknow and reach Lakhimpur. So it is very likely that Rahul Gandhi and the two Chief Ministers accompanying him, Charanjit Singh Channi and Bhupesh Baghel, will be stopped at the Lucknow airport and they will not be allowed to leave the airport because Section 144 is being imposed in Lakhimpur. But Rahul Gandhi is maintaining that Section 144 applies for only 5 people, and if there are less than 5 people, they should always be allowed. That is their democratic right. And this is what he is alleging in his press conference, that the country has been devoid of democratic rights. The people are being devoid of their democratic values under the present regime, and that is the reason why politicians like him are being stopped. And he also accused the center of playing double standards here, because yesterday 2 political parties, TMC leaders and the Team Army leaders, were allowed to reach Lakhimpur. So he is questioning as to why the Congress leaders are being targeted and detained and not allowed to enter Lakhimpur.
All right, so he's on his way now, but there have been written orders. Anand, if you could walk our viewers through what the written orders are, that he will not be allowed to leave Lucknow airport when he reaches there, and from Lucknow airport also going to Lakhimpur is going to be challenging as far as Rahul Gandhi is concerned, given the written orders are in place to not allow him to leave Lucknow airport.
Looks very unlikely that he'll be allowed to, leave the Lucknow airport, because both the DMs of Sitapur and of Lakhimpur have written to the Lucknow Police Commissioner that, any political activity which disturbs the peace of these 2 districts should be curtailed and restricted. And acting upon those 2 requests from the DM, respective DMs, the Lucknow Police Commissioner has issued, orders that the politicians who are heading towards Lakhimpur should not be allowed to do so. And that is the reason why we fear that Rahul Gandhi might be stopped at the airport, just like Bhupesh Baghel, the Chief Minister of Chhattisgarh, was done yesterday at the airport, and he had to return back from Lucknow airport itself.
What is the Congress party is concerned? What is their plan of action vis-a-vis Priyanka Gandhi, who has been arrested? They've cited several sections of the law that says that her arrest is illegal.
Yes, so the Congress party is saying that the arrest is entirely illegal. She had been denied an access to a council. The guest house where she was put up, that has been turned into a temporary jail. The UP government wants to restrain her, and not allow her to go to Lakhimpur and meet the farmers and express solidarity with the families of the bereaved farmers who were killed, while they were taking out a post-peaceful march. The Congress party, wants to put out this message very straight, that they are standing firm
Right.
with the...
So, Anand, stay with us right there. Rahul Gandhi has questioned the Prime Minister Modi's silence on Lakhimpur violence, says he will go to meet the victims despite no permission coming in from UP cops. Sister Priyanka is already under arrest, as you already know. Let's get you those visuals. We're tracking the convoy of Rahul Gandhi. He's on his way right there. Priyanka Gandhi, Congress General Secretary, she is under arrest in Sitapur, and the Congress has deemed this arrest absolutely illegal and cited various provisions of the law under which this arrest is illegal. Dipender Huda, Congress leader, he's also under detention at the moment. He also tried to visit Lakhimpur, where Section 144 of the CRPC has been imposed. Akhilesh Yadav, another opposition party leader, Samajwadi Party chief, he's been put under house arrest. As far as Bhupesh Baghel is concerned, the Chhattisgarh chief minister, he was stopped at the Lucknow airport. We have to see whether Rahul Gandhi gets stopped or not. Aam Aadmi Party delegation also been detained. They were also trying to make a beeline to visit Lakhimpur. So several opposition leaders, and now the latest is Rahul Gandhi, who is going to try to go to Lakhimpur. First, he has to be allowed to get out of the Lucknow airport. We'll wait and watch out for those developments very closely.